Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we are going to check out the graphics application that are available in the Debian Edu 12 or the SkoleLinux. So we will head over directly to the graphics section in the application menu, and here you can see here the GIMP is there. So GIMP is an image manipulation program. Image Magic is also there, so it is also image manipulation program. Inkscape is there. LibreCAD is there, so you can teach your students to do the CAD drawings or the engineering drawings. So it is a brief introduction to the LibreCAD. So what happens is, students, say if you are in lower standards, the students will not be able to gather all the technicalities of LibreCAD, but at least they will get a good introduction to how the engineering or the design softwares work. So it is a very good introduction, and they will at least pick up some skills. So later on they will be able, when they will go to engineering college, they will be easily pick up the skills that are required to perform in the exams, and later on when they will work as an engineer, they will be very much comfortable with the different design softwares. So LibreCAD is there, LibreOffice Draw is there, Pencil 2D is there, PyMol molecular graphics system. We have seen it in the chemistry packages. It is a part of chemistry packages where you can design different molecules. So the molecular design is there. Risreto image viewer is there. Scribus is there. I will just open up Scribus, so you will get an idea. So Scribus is an open source desktop publishing. So you can create different documents and then you can publish those documents using Scribus. Then let us open up the dia. Just a moment. Dia is not coming up. So dia must be some scribbling or some basic design application. Let it open. So Scribus is opening up for the first time, so it is creating the font cache and all those things. So it is initializing application. You can see here it is loading the different plugins, shortcuts. So you can create, yes, I will just show you. What I will do is, we will just close this down. We will focus on Scribus. So let us open the Scribus help. So there is no manual right now, but you can visit these two pages to check out the manual. So how Scribus works, what is that, how the publishing can be done, everything can be done, learned from the manual. Though this is the link to Scribus homepage, online documentation, Scribus wiki is there, how to get started with Scribus, all those things are there. So you can check it out. Let us see if the web page opens up. So it should open up the manual for Scribus. Meanwhile, in diagram, let us see. So this is some application to help students create diagrams. So you can create some process diagrams. So there will be some learning processes. You can create a diagram for the learning processes. Some say there are some complex mathematical mathematics to be done. So you can create the steps for the students using this, and then the students can learn the steps to perform those mathematical calculation easily, because what happens is graphical way is superior to the verbal way in many areas. So if the student checks it graphically, he will understand it better way than the verbal instructions from teachers. So you can see all the different shapes are there. So you can create flowcharts. So for any learning, you can create a flowchart for that learning, and then you have to teach using the flowcharts to the students. Students will learn very easily, and also students can also learn flowcharts, because flowcharts are very important when you do programming. So programming, if you understand the customer requirements, then you can do UML diagramming, you can do the flowcharts. So flowcharts are very important, as well as the UML diagram. So this is the basic fundamentals the students will learn in the schools, and later on they can go and work on some more complex softwares. So today we have just uh, learned about Scribus and the diagram. So now I will close this. Even this program is not necessary. Further, LibreCAD, I will just show you. Pencil to do, let us check out the Pencil 2D right now. Let us open LibreCAD also. Okay. So now Pencil 2D development is there. So you can do create 2D shapes using the Pencil 2D. So there are different pen, pencils, different things are available, different objects are available. So if you want to create some sketches in 2D using pencil, you have to select this tool. If you want to create some sketches using the ink pen, so this ink pen tool is there. Brush tools are there. You can see a different brush. So even hand tools are also there. So it is basically teaching students how to draw, how to paint. You can also fill up the sketches with colors. So color palettes are also available. Now I will close this. I just was brief introduction to this Pencil 2D development. Now LibreCAD is there. So here, starting for the first time, you have to set the default units, the default language, and the default command language. You have to say OK. It will open up the LibreCAD. So this is just like any AutoCAD. So all the functionality is there. It is a very powerful tool. But students can do some basic 3D models, create some drawings on 3D drawings, 2D drawings here using LibreCAD, and later on when they will work in the field, they can use more complex softwares like AutoCAD and all those things. So it's very important tool. So the younger student starts, the more he becomes, more he gains the expertise in this different tools and knowledge areas. Expand you have seen. I don't think we require to check out Expand. So it is a painting program. You can edit the photos with Expand, and Xn is a scanning tool. So you can scan documents using Xn. You can see here it is a scan. It is a scanner software. So I think it should close down. No, it is not closing up. So yes, it has closed automatically as no application, scanning application, and the scanning device is not there. So with this, I will stop the video here. See you in the next video with some more application package groups. Bye bye.